Yuda. Paano nga ba magselos si Bel Mariano? Yan ang naging tanong namin kay Donnie Pangilinan. Say niya, when Bel gets jealous, she's so funny. When she's jealous, it's World War III has started. Pero naiintindihan ko naman kasi lagi niyang sinasabi sa akin, when a girl jealous, it's not because she doesn't trust you. It's because she knows what other girl thinking.